In this inquiry, the issues associated with deforestation will be addressed. Deforestation is a very important issue that has been going on for a very long time. Australia is one of the top countries in the world that has a huge negative impact caused by deforestation. In this inquiry, the issues that the wildlife and environment face due to deforestation caused by humans will be researched. Deforestation in Australia has been going on since the 18th and 19th century. One of the main reasons why deforestation occurs is mainly to provide more land for housing and benefits for human beings. It has impacted the environment dramatically and has even caused some species of flora and fauna to become extinct. Australia has lost 40% of its forests. Due to the enormous percentage of loss in forests, Australia's biodiversity is being destroyed. Many of Australia's wildlife depend on these forests to thrive, but without their habitats, they are dying. The article Land Clearing and its Impact stresses that if Australia does not stop deforestation and land clearing, half of Australia's terrestrial bird species can become extinct in this century. Not only are the birds at risk, but so are the land mammals that inhabit the area. Animals such as wombats and wallabies are threatening extinction due to the land clearing. Due to deforestation, the animals are not the only ones affected. Farmers and the land are also in danger of being destroyed. Salt poisoning is a big issue that farmers face. When the trees are destroyed, water that was used by the vegetation seeps through the soils, bringing with it salt from the ancient salt deposits. The level of salt that is brought up destroys the soil fertility and therefore the farm productivity. Salt can also cause damage to towns, cities, and infrastructure. Researching about deforestation proved some difficulty as there was not a broad array of information found online. Deforestation is a topic that many people are aware of but decide not to think or speak about. A lot of internet websites that were for animal welfare had more information provided about land clearing than any other type of website. Farming websites were also quite useful. The year and content descriptor that were chosen were in the category of science, although this topic could also touch base with topics in history and geography. The first content descriptor is about living things having basic needs, including water and food. This is a good starting point to introduce this topic to the grade. It helps the students understand the issues at hand, which is destroying the forest, and how that can cause problems to the animals who live in the forests. The second content descriptor is about how living things live in different places as they have different needs to each other. This inquiry can help the children understand that all living things have different needs, just as humans do. Some live in deserts, some live in the ground, and some live in trees. This can be then elaborated into how the effect of deforestation can have on those particular living things that thrive in trees or treetops. The third context descriptor is how science can be used to care for the environment and living things. This is a bit more advanced than the previous two, but the inquiry can still be used in a lesson to provide knowledge about why deforestation occurs and how it can be prevented.